Bro, so much happened while I was gone.
Whatever that means. Dirty summer in the sky for. Spill the day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau.
Alright, so just to explain, I'm in the New Orleans International Airport. It is currently 6:19 in the morning. I am on the way to New York City for the T. Howard Foundation Diversity Awards. Basically, it's a group that helps minorities and people of color to be able to get into positions in the media industry. For me personally, I had an internship with ESPN over last summer, and because I was one of the finalists for the T. Howard Foundation, I was able to merge my internship with ESPN with the T. Howard Foundation. They gave me a free trip out to DC to learn and try and network and get to a point where I'd be able to contribute as much as possible during my internship. And now, almost a year later, I'm headed to New York for the Diversity Awards. The trip is honestly only a couple hours. I'm headed there right now. I should probably get in around 10 o'clock. I have a super busy day, and then I'll actually be back again tomorrow on Thursday. So I'm gonna try and fit in as much stuff as possible in the next, I don't know, 30 hours. I am exhausted, but let's hop on this plane and let's get over to New York. I don't know if you can really tell, but you can really tell it's snowing, and it's a lot of it. You can't really see much farther than that. That's unbelievable. There's too much snow. You can't see too far. That's crazy to me. It's March. Okay, so the plan now is to, one, not fall, and two, meet up with the other T. Howard interns at another terminal. Goodness gracious. You have to see this. Why y'all playing games? Get in the car. You playing games, you want to do it for the snap. Like it's not 20 degrees out here, it's snowing. Okay, so we just got to the hotel and dropped off our bags. They just decided that they canceled the dinner.
Don't get me in
for the snap. We're gonna blur that out. All right, so I'm outside now. A little bit easier to shoot from out here, but basically we just got an email from the T. Howard Foundation saying that the dinner was canceled due obviously to the bad weather. That's crazy. So crazy. We're not 100% what to do now. Obviously we don't have to be at the dinner for 3 o'clock. Obviously we don't have to go to anything later tonight. So really we just have the whole day just to kind of explore the city and just do some stuff. So crazy. Crazy. We will see where this day goes. We're gonna try and wing it as we go here. Like everything I do, and pretty much everything. We're just gonna wing it and see what happens. Stay tuned. She camera ready now, okay? She didn't ask for the camera. You gotta shout out something, say something.
Shout out UGA, shout out THF, shout out to the snow, not having to work today. Honestly, this gave us a free day in New York. We're here, we're happy, you know, we're just having a great time.
All this was good, and then it was...
What?
Too prepared, honestly.
Can you stop looking like a tourist?
I am a tourist. I am a tourist. I'm supposed to be here on work. I'm that guy. I'm that guy. Yeah, I'm gonna commit to this whole tourist thing. I'm committing to it. I feel like if I'm gonna do the tourist thing, I have to do it all the way out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm dressed like a tourist. I got roaches on. I'm not prepared for this weather. No gloves.
I know your hands cold.
Hands cold, man. So if I'm gonna look like a tourist, I'm gonna act like a tourist, I'm gonna shoot this video like a tourist. So get the full experience. See how more people showed up.
Hey,
okay.
gotta keep the hair covered, you know.
All right, so now we're just kind of exploring. I was told that my angling on the early videos was too low, so I'm shooting from way up high now.
I mean, I'm just saying for your viewers' sake.
I appreciate you for looking out, but we are headed to Times Square. Well, it turns out our hotel location is really clutch because we really right here on Times Square. All right, so we have no real plans for the rest of the day. As more T-Howard people start showing up, more of us will start to meet up. I think we're gonna hang out here in Times Square for a couple more minutes. It's actually very cold, so I don't expect it to be too much longer. We're gonna go back to the hotel, check in, figure out our lives. And my friend McKenna, who works for ESPN right now here in New York City, I just hit her up and we're gonna meet up. So I'm hoping to see her at around 4 o'clock, but things are starting to shape up here. Starting to shape up. That's how you do it.
Yeah, man, Dipset, man, you know how we doing this, man. We on every website. Check us out, Amazon, YouTube, Roadstar. We doing a big shout out to this whole group. They lit.
Okay,
they lit, everybody.
Yeah.
Some contribution they did for the art that put together.
Hold up.
Teamwork makes the dream work, man.
You know what I'm saying? I'll contribute to the
He gonna show the love for the vlog, man.
I got some cash. I got some cash.
You know how we doing this, baby.
Shit.
I'll say, damn, John.
What up? What's that? See that? What's good? What's good?
It's cool. What's happening? What's happening?
I'm broke. Why you looking like I feel bad? You can have it back, nigga. That's all I can offer you.
What happened, dog? How about this guy?
I'm broke.
I'm dead, like,
I'm broke.
Many y'all, man.
Oh my eyes,
bro.
Like, it's bad. Like, it's bad. Like, look, bro, I don't even want to take this from you, fool.
Nah, it's all good,
It's
bro.
only
You
$1.
good for
All
it,
right,
man.
good
You got
looks,
it,
man.
man.
Good
It's
looks.
all
We
about
gonna shout it out. Hey, we gonna get this photo shoot.
Come on, angles, Reggie.
Angle. Hey, I'm different. Different, bro. Oh yeah, I got you. You know what I'm saying? I'm on photo taking duty apparently. Different. I decided to buy these gloves because this cold is getting out of hand. Did you like my joke? Did you like my joke?
hear that.
All right. I said this cold. I'm buying these gloves because this cold is getting out of hand. Yes. Just a quick look at the room. Okay, this view right here up front with all the snow. All right, so I obviously don't have much time to actually stay here and enjoy this room. I have to head straight out and go across the city on the metro to get over to ESPN to visit my friend Kenna. Not 100% sure on how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna figure it out. So, now that I'm off the metro, I'm supposed to be looking for the Lincoln building. Kenna told me to walk to the ABC building that's here, so she should be close. Eyewitness News, New York, ABC 7. That's awesome. Oh snap, special guest to the vlog. Our ESPN superstar. Who is this? Who are you?
I am McKenna Wilson, and
in New York for ESPN.
This is my friend. She's giving me a tour of the inside. This thing is 22 floors. It's fast too. This is Central Park?
Yep.
What?
This is Central Park.
Wow. This is incredible. This is a real deal skyscraper, man. This is no joke of a building, man. This is
I mean, look down.
crazy.
So these are other,
Whoa.
like this is like top notch. First one is like display center. This wall is so
Wow.
so this is my desk.
Oh my goodness. This is very U-desk with the Broncos stuff on the wall, LSU of course. So what is this building?
This is the Creative Works building. So this is where like we'll have big meetings in here. This is where we'll have like all hands meetings with executives and stuff. And this is like so like during March Madness, if this was playing the game, everyone would just come around with their computers and just work and watch the March Madness games.
This is crazy.
So these are all the people that pretty much put together everything that you see with the edits and videos and highlights. It's just
Wow. This is from the first game in Wrigley Field in 1916? That's ridiculous.
yeah, look at that,
Wow.
right?
Wow. Man. The legend Drew Brees. Oh, these are nuts.
Like how legit?
Oh, snap. Oh, they're like sewn in.
Yeah.
Oh, these are crazy.
Like this wall and these chairs are my favorite part of this building.
Goodness. Oh yeah, this is so cool. Look at this. That is hilarious. You gotta get some more cool stuff, Ken, for your desk. I feel like you haven't made it so you have a pillow on your desk. You gotta get one of those. Okay, so Ken just told me something I think is ridiculous. This building that we've been in right now, this ESPN building that's across the street, looks like a big castle on the outside. Ken, what was housed here before they bought the building?
Horses. Some of these offices, horses live in, and then they just revised the whole place.
Is that not ridiculous to anybody else?
Crazy.
That's crazy. Just another look at this building, man. Goodness gracious. Wow. Used to house horses. That's wild. Wild. Ken, that's wild. Times Square. Kenna. Oh snap! Almost fell. All right, Reggie's day of trying to figure out what's going on in New York continues. Gonna go see some friends over in Brooklyn. Excited for that. Ken is gonna be my tour guide to the correct location where I need to be going. So let me express something to you. The wind has gotten faster and colder. There's more sleet and snow in it. I need a scarf, and McKenna's dying, and it's all okay, kinda, because we're in Times Square.
Brooklyn, we go hard. We go hard.
Thank you, sir. Look, you in here too. We got the Timbs. What are you doing, sir?
Proving that I'm the best in the world.
At Fortnite?
I don't think so. More than just Fortnite. It's deeper than that. It's deeper than rap.
So is the fold like a?
Yeah, you gotta fold it.
You gotta fold it.
Yeah.
Alright, that's fire. And on that note, I'm out of here. I'm out. Y'all be easy, man. This man eating snow off the. No, I gotta go. Can we talk about this? This has got to be one of the coolest looking areas, just based off of the white light and all the snow coming in that I've been in. Maybe ever, man. This is a winter wonderland. All right, back to Manhattan I go. Let's go see what the rest of the T. Howard kids got going on. I'm about to hop on this train or this metro and kind of go from there. Trudging through snow in my Roshis. Absolutely should have packed better. Back in the big city, I do want to point this out. If you look right there, I believe that's the Chrysler building. How cool is that, man? Obviously, one of the landmarks of New York, and I'm getting to see it, man. Nothing like exploring New York and finding stuff accidentally. I'm also very close, so if none of that made sense and I'm just kind of rambling, then that's the reason why. But if it did, you're welcome. I have almost fallen so many times on this walk home, but I can safely say I'm back. You can hear them. That's how you know they're in here.
Excuse me, you're not invited. You're not invited to the party.
Oh my God.
I'm telling y'all, bro.
And just like that, I'm back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, man. Really, that's how you kick butt in New York for only a couple hours and getting as much done as possible, man. Thanks for supporting the channel, and if you like the video, make sure you like and comment, and we'll continue to make more content. As for now, this vlog is over. I'll see y'all next time.